Guys and welcome back to my channel iQOO. In today's I'll try to compare the Call of Duty graphics gameplay comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends. So in this video is only I'll be comparing the default graphics comparison between both phones, because both phones have the very powerful chipsets, and let's see which phone is capable of playing the Call of Duty gameplay at highest graphics settings. So that is what my main point of comparing between both phones, and I'll try to show you which phone has a better 4D vibrations while playing Call of Duty and what are the special features it does include. That is what I'll try to include. So in case if you want me to do any other gameplay review and FPS frame drop test, so make sure to comment below. I'll try to do that kind of comparison very soon. As you can see friends, this is a Realme X7 Max which has got the Dimensity 1200 processor, which is the first time from the MediaTek releasing in India, and is the Snapdragon 870 chipset which we've already seen in the Mi11X and OnePlus 9R. So let's see friends which phone has got the better Call of Duty gameplay comparison. Let me try to open the Call of Duty game at same time, and let's see which phone will be able to open the faster, and both are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network right now. So both phones, they do have the game space and ultra game mode in the iQOO 7 device, so both will be definitely helpful in terms of enhancing the gaming features. So right now slightly first in the iQOO 7 device in terms of showing you the login page right now in the iQOO 7 smartphone, and the Realme X7 Max, I think just now it will be able to show me the Google account. So right now it's trying to log in the Realme X7 Max, as you can see, and we got the results in the iQOO 7 device. So just yesterday I did a speed test comparison side by side with the Realme X7 Max and the iQOO 7. So make sure to check that video friends. You'll be understanding clearly which phone has what kind of performance. Let me try to quickly close all this content, and let me try to show you first thing. I'll be mainly focusing on the default graphics. So which phone has got the best default graphics available out of the box. So not future, not updates I'm trying to talk about, not future updates and future optimization. I'm trying to talk about present situation, what is there between both phones. So let me try to go to the settings. So let me try to go to the audio and graphics. So let me try to show you clearly in the iQOO 7 device. So this is the iQOO 7 smartphone which I'm trying to use. So here you can select the high and maximum frame rates and very high graphics. As you can see friends, very high graphics and very high frame rates maximum is possible in the Snapdragon 870, which is also there in the Mi11X and OnePlus 9R as well, as you can clearly see here. So as you can see friends, all the options you can enable if you want, and let me try to show the changes in the Realme X7 Max. So these are Realme X7 Max which I'm testing right now, and you can see, let me try to go to the very high. As soon as I select the very high, the frame rates will be decreased to the very high only, not to the maximum frame rates, as you can see friends. So this is a small kind of problem which I'm experiencing with this kind of Dimensity 1200, and a lot of people, they did say that it will be definitely get optimized with the future updates. So I'm not sure, because my Realme X7 Pro, I still not got any kind of optimization in terms of the games, particularly where so many users did complain and wrote feedback in my videos about the Realme X7 Pro, which has Dimensity 1000 plus processor. Even the processor is kind of powerful, but still the optimization is not good. But it is really good for the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon processors, which has got Snapdragon 855 plus, that phone has got PUBG 90 FPS update, and the Realme X7 Pro didn't get the PUBG 90 FPS update optimization. That's a sad thing about the Dimensities. I'm not sure how well the phone gonna optimize for the future updates, but this is the present situation right now is there with the Realme X7 Max. And now let me try to show you what are the other benefits you do get between both phones. So in the both phones you do have the gain and enhancement features. So ultra game mode in the, let's talk about first thing in the iQOO 7 device. In the iQOO 7 device, I do like the 4D vibrations. Game frame interpolation is also there, which will also definitely boost a little bit kind of smoothness you might be able to experience while gaming, while using this game frame interpolation. So next is 4D vibrations. As you can see friends, you can enable the 4D vibrations in this phone while playing Call of Duty without any issues, and also game display enhancement as well, as you can see. So total you are getting 3 major advantages while playing the game. So while playing the game you are getting 3 major advantages. So let's see what are the advantages in the Realme X7 Max you are getting. So in the Realme X7 Max, first thing I did like the real-time inbuilt FPS meter which is available. That's a really good thing, because instead of depending on the third-party softwares, I do believe the companies should implement this kind of really good inbuilt CPU, GPU and FPS meter. That's really good. So I did like that kind of thing. And before it used to be the on the top toolbar like MI devices, but right now they changed to completely overlay here, which totally disturbs the gameplay itself. So that's a minor kind of drawback. But here you don't get any kind of 4D vibrations for this game, unfortunately. The phone is capable, friends, that is my problem. The phone is very powerful, same close to Snapdragon 870, it's very powerful, but still the software optimization is the only thing which is really pulling this phone back. Look at this 4D wave. I'm not sure why they are not enabling for the Call of Duty and any other games. At least right now only PUBG game I will be able to play with the 4D vibrations in this phone. Even it has got the really good vibration feedback. That is what my worry is. So I'm not sure why they are doing like this. So they should enable the 4D vibrations, otherwise they should not even keep the 4D vibrations at all. So that is the one major problem. Some people do agree, some people they don't like the vibrations because that will definitely disturb the gameplay. I can totally understand. And you do get the 3 different types of modes: low power mode, balanced mode, and the pro gamer mode. In the iQOO 7 device, it's always in the pro gamer mode only in that phone. So as you can see, these are the 3 different modes you can select from, and you do have the touch optimization option as well, so where you can select how much touch intensity you want. That's also another good thing. And the game focus mode you do have, so everything will be blocked. Game focus mode, I think there should be some kind of focus mode. I'm not sure, let me try to check. Yeah, mute notification is there, mute calls are there, background calls you can enable if you want. That's all the different options you do have here, as you can see here. So WhatsApp picture in picture mode. Even you do have the floating applications in case if you want to use, you can use a couple of these applications at the floating window. I think same thing goes to the Realme mobile phone as well. Even here also you can use the floating windows, as you can see, friends, clearly. So all these are quick comparison graphics, default graphics comparison between both phones. I'm not talking about the gameplay, and I'll try to talk about the gameplay maybe in another video. So because the video is going to be really lengthy video, that is the reason I did not want to make it so much lengthy. But let me try to start a normal gameplay, which is a multiplayer. So as a basic thing which I thought of just mentioning. So overall, this is a one thing which maximum frame rates and high quality cannot happen in the Realme X8 Max device. So in the iQOO 7 device you can use full potential with most of the games. So not all the iQOO 7 device with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. That is the main thing which you notice. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to hit the subscribe, and don't forget to check the wallpapers. Links will be available in the description below what wallpapers I'm trying to use in all of these smartphones, so which are really interesting to check. So make sure to check the links in description. I think there's some kind of Wi-Fi connection problem in this phone, that is the reason it's not connecting. So I'll try to do another comparison, friends. So this is a basic comparison between the default graphics and default optimization settings what you got. And overall the winner at this point is Snapdragon 870 chipset. I'm not saying iQOO 7 but Snapdragon 870 chipset. So Dimensity 1200 nits, really very optimization. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.